Clear your mind, understanding a common English phrase. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating and commonly used English phrase, clear one's mind. This phrase is not just a collection of words but an expression rich in meaning and usage. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand and use it in your daily English conversations. Clear one's mind is an idiomatic expression in English. At its core, it refers to the process of removing worries, stress, or distractions from one's thoughts. It's like giving your brain a fresh start or a moment of peaceful blankness. This phrase is often used in contexts where someone needs to relax, focus, or think more clearly. The idea is to empty the mind of all clutter, be it thoughts, concerns, or mental noise. This phrase can be used in various situations. 1. Before making an important decision, when someone needs to think without any bias or pressure. 2. During stressful times, to suggest taking a moment to relax and not be overwhelmed by stress. 3. While meditating or doing yoga, as a way to describe the goal of achieving mental peace and focus. You can use this phrase in sentences like, I need to clear my mind before I decide on this matter. After a long day at work, a quiet walk helps me clear my mind. Sometimes, clearing your mind is as simple as stepping away from the situation for a few minutes. Let's look at some dialogues to see how this phrase fits into everyday conversation. A. I'm so stressed about this project. B. Why don't you take a short break? It might help to clear your mind. A. I can't seem to focus on my studies. B. Have you tried doing some light exercise? It could help clear your mind. And that's a wrap on Clear One's Mind. Remember, this phrase is all about finding mental clarity and peace. It's a useful expression in both personal and professional contexts. We hope this video helps you understand and use Clear One's Mind confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Happy learning!